Hey guys, Andrew here with the Reach Company. This is a general tutorial for Church Essentials websites. In this tutorial, we're going to look at changing the social media icons and branding these for you and updating them to make sure that it takes you to your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever. Um, we're using the Freedom Essentials website for this, and so as you can see, these are down here in the footer. And so we're going to look at editing these, and then we're going to look at adding them to other places on your website. And so to do that, we're going to go to Page Builder and Footer, since that's where they are. This is going to bring up the footer area for us to be able to edit. As you can see, we can edit anything down here now. I'm going to click on this right here. This is an icon group. And so this brings up the icons that are displayed here. The first thing we're going to do is look at updating the link to the ones we already have. And then I'm going to show you how to add another one, specifically an email for people to contact you that way. So if someone clicks on it, they email you. It's pretty straightforward. So we click on Edit Icon. And right here on the link, I just have a hashtag. This is just a placeholder. You can go and copy your Facebook link, your name, and then paste that there and then save it. And it updates it automatically. And then you do the same for Twitter, Instagram. If you don't have a Twitter or Instagram, you just click on this right here, this delete button, and it'll get rid of that for you. And then what else I want to do is add an icon. And so we're going to go in here to Edit Icon, Select, and I want to do like an envelope. And so I'm going to select this envelope right here. And the way we do these icons, if you want to email something, you have to type in mail to, and then the email address. And then save that. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and type mine in. hello@thereach.company. So mail to hello@thereach.company, and I'm going to save that. And it should pop up here automatically, right? And then to finish that out, we would just save it, and our icons would be updated. I'm going to go ahead and do a few more things here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of the email. I want to show you how to add this icon group in other places on your website. This is an icon module, icon group module, and you have the ability to save the module once you've updated all of these social media URLs. Once you've updated those, you go down here to Save As, and I'm going to name this module My Social Media. And you can make it a global module. A global module means that across the entire website, it's going to be the same. I am not going to do that. I don't anticipate my social media changing, and I want to be able to change colors wherever I put it. And so I'm going to name it My Social Media, save, and then I'm going to go up here to Done and Publish. So that's how you change the actual URLs for your social media here. I'm going to go over to our contact page, and I'm going to add, from that saved module, I'm going to add our social media here. And so if you go to Saved, sorry, I had to refresh it to get it to show. If you go to Saved, and then My Social Media, you see it's right here. And so I'm just going to drag it onto the page. And you'll see that it populates right there. I'm going to change the style so that it is aligned in the center. And you'll see it move to the center. And then you can change some of the other colors and everything around right here. I like it like it is, and so I'm just going to leave it the same. If you wanted to change colors, you could go ahead in here and select any of these colors. I'm going to go, might as well go ahead and select that. And then I'm going to save it and publish it. And now I have taken the social media icons that I just made in the footer, and I've added them to my contact page. and I changed the colors of them as well. That's how you change your social media on your Essentials site.